Yo, today we're going to be finding the difference of two squares. So first things first, we need a square root each side. This will be easy because both of these are perfect squares. So square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x squared is x. And the square root of negative 49 is positive 7 and negative 7. It's that easy.
Factoring by GCF. What is a GCF? A GCF is the largest number and or variable that all factors of your expression have in common. In this problem, it would be 4x plus squared plus 28x, and you would have to find the GCF. The GCF is 4x, and you would divide 4x by both numbers because it is the GCF. So that's how you do it. And you would get 4x, just 4x, and then parentheses x plus 7, and then because you would divide the 28x by the 4x and you would get 7, and then you would put parentheses, and then to check your answer it would be 4x times 7 equals 28x, and to check the other thing, you would check if it is 4 squared, x squared. So you would check, it'd be 4x times x equals 4x squared. That's how you find factoring by GCF.
Alright, now we're going to be learning about big boy factoring. Big boy factoring is when a is not equal to 1. To start off, we're going to multiply c by a, which is 4, in order to get a equal to 1. So multiply those together, which will be y squared plus 4y minus 60. Now, what you want to do is find what multiplies to get negative 60 and what adds to get positive 4. So, negative 6 and 10, they multiply together to get negative 60, and if you add them together, they get positive 4. Okay, now we can set up y minus 6 times y plus 10. But since we multiplied negative 15 by 4 in the beginning, we must now divide each side by 4. Now since none of these are divisible by 4, you have to add that to the y. But we're not done yet because both of these, or every single number here, is divisible by 2. So if we divide these all by 2, we get the answer.
Factoring with baby factoring, or trinomial factoring. A trinomial's formula is ax squared plus bx plus c. You would multiply the c and you would add the b. So if we had a problem that was saying k squared plus 13k plus 40k, we would get the 40, because we know we're multiplying the 40 because the 40 is c, and we know we're multiplying the 13, and the 13 is b, so you're adding b. So you would add 13 and you would multiply 40. So in this problem you would get 13, you get 40, and you would try to find what goes into 40 that you can add to get 13. So 40, so we would find 8 times 5 equals 40, and 8 plus 5 equals 13. So you found your answers, so you found 8 and 5. And you would get the k, and then you would put, it would be plus because they're both positive numbers, and then it would be plus here. Okay, plus, and then you would put, it does not matter what order, so you would put 8, and then you put 5. Then you have your answer.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear.